name of Anthony Brown. He's the one that taxes the rain when it falls down. His tax on our wages just ain't good enough. He gets plunder when it thunders. Who would tax the rain? We'll move to Orlando if there isn't tax reform. Then we'd be unable to watch the grandkids born. All these foolish ideas, it's a life, it's strange. Take a plunger to this blunder. Who will tax the rain? All the tax we're paying, he'll just tax us more. But if we vote together, our state will transform. We can get restoring Maryland again. Wake from slumber, we outnumber those that tax the rain.